miserable one. I'll be honest, I hate riding in the cold. It's 27 degrees and I have to take my bike to get 12,000 mile service. Not only do I not have the money for it, I don't have the patience because I'm freezing. I'm just not looking forward to it. But luckily it's a 45-minute ride up 287, which is going to be stupid with traffic today. Man, if my girlfriend knew how shitty the traffic is at this time in the morning, she wouldn't let me go. I tried to, I'm like as layered up as possible. And I got like an ingrown hair in my inner thigh and it's digging into the fucking side of the bike. It's killing me. This is just the uncomfortable ride moto vlog. It's not always sunshine and rainbows, even though you may feel like it's sunshine and rainbows. The reality is that sometimes there's a little bit of pain that comes with riding. Like the cold. And the saddle sore. Nobody really ever talks about it. Yeah, riding is great. It's spiritually uplifting. It's a wonderful thing. But it can hurt. Give you fatigue. Yeah, I definitely think I should have put on another layer. No, it is. I don't have like a bona fide like winter jacket. And then when I stop for gas, I'm gonna like close all these zipper vents because I do have them open. I can definitely feel it. Just topping off. Yep, see, if gas wasn't such a piece of fucking shit, that would be like $3, maybe $4 to fill. Probably be half of that. That's stupid, and I'm like hyperventilating because I'm fat. Whoops, my kickstand was down. Let's get in front of this. That's the joy of being on a bike. That you could just fit anywhere without being a dick. Even though that person probably thinks I'm a fucking dick. It's alright. What are we doing? Where we go? Oh, we got 2 right turn. And that was my client. I sold him that car that just drove by, that GTI. I just sold him that car. The fucking dickhead. Little dweeb. He was so particular about everything. God, it's fucking cold. This is so uncomfortable, man. I fucking hate riding in the damn cold. And with these gloves on, with the stupid gloves, I can't feel the zippers. I want to get there as quick as possible. The torture be over. With my shadow shedding the skin. about that. I just gotta get this thing. Put the hill hold. How much time I have? I don't have any time. This shit's gonna just fucking turn green. Yep, just like I said. And look at the traffic. Oh my god, everybody going to work at the same time. You know what, this would be a great video to like do how to ride in heavy traffic on a sport bike or on a bike in general. How to ride in heavy traffic on two wheels. Step 1. Use your head. Use your mirrors, even though these are almost stealth mirrors are the fucking worst thing I ever bought. They're the worst things. Look ahead of you, you know? And get, you know, always keep a safe space cushion, you know? Excuse me, I'm sorry. Always keep a safe space cushion. And the most importantly, honestly, this is probably never talked about, have patience. I know when you're on a bike, you obviously can be faster than every car on the road in first gear, depending on if you have a leader bike or whatnot. But the majority of bikes are faster than the majority of cars. So have patience. It's a good thing to, you know, stay calm, ride your ride, use your mirrors, check your blind spots, and the pathway will open up. Always good to have patience. Patience is a virtue. I know my girlfriend right now is watching me on Life 360, and I don't mind that because I want to reassure her that you know, I am safe all the time, and you know, if I die, she'll know exactly who to kill, which is great. This is where it's going to start to get dicey. This is where you want to be careful, you want to pay attention to all your surroundings. Watch, you know, watch cars' tires. Watch their tires. And when you start to see them drift over the lines, then you know they're going into your lane. There's nothing you can do. You never want to be in anybody's blind spot. So I think it's a good idea to like ride like in this position, so that they can see you in their mirror, and then you can just get ahead of them. You know, stay in their mirror. They're more likely to see you. If you could see their face, they can see you. You don't want to be in the blind spots. And it definitely ain't no Tixer, bro. I ain't gonna go in between cars crazy like that guy. That guy's got testicles the size of dogs. But again, you want to scan your whole scenario. You want to scan everything in front of you. You want to know what's around you and have situational awareness. And just take the path of safest traverses. I gotta be in this thing. I know I'm not holding the other thing because this hand is frozen. traffic begins. Now you don't want to get rear-ended, so it's always a good idea to this is open lane pattern that Dan talks about. Alright. That is the open lane pattern. Everybody's going to be going this way. They have waited. I'm getting on now, this is the actual fucking problem. This is the issue. Because now all the trucks, like the 18-wheelers, they drive on this road. They're allowed to. On the parkway, which I just was, for a certain distance, 18-wheelers and big trucks are not allowed to be on the road. It doesn't look horrible. It doesn't look too bad. Luckily, I'm not on 287 for long because BMW is just a few miles up the road. Oh, Mazda 6. Dorothy, I miss you. Alright, so give yourself a space cushion and just be aware of all your surroundings. I mean, this is where I wish lane splitting was like legal, but you know, it is what it is. It's not legal here in Jersey. Nothing is. I almost got rear-ended by this minivan. That was dangerous. Ooh, nice BMW. What is this, a 4? Yeah. Competition. Nice. What, convertible? Blech. It's nice though. So this is where open lane pattern is going to come into play, right? You're going to see people who aren't going to see me and they're going to see an opening. And then they're going to immediately try to get in front of you because, you know, it looks like the traffic is moving faster. But that's not necessarily the case. That's where the real danger is going to be, you know? And then my hand is frozen solid. I would do it. Sometimes you're just going to have to ride like this. I mean, I know it sucks, but you're just going to have to. Should I do a video on lane splitting? Should I? I don't know. Maybe. It would be great. It would be absolutely wonderful. But it is dangerous, you know, because since lane splitting is not legal here, you know, people aren't looking for motorcyclists riding in between the lanes. They know it happens. I've lane split plenty of times in traffic. And this guy's getting over because he thinks I'm going to do it. And now he's getting back. Fuck it. We're doing it. go in between cars like that, you know? Because you're on a motorcycle, you're better than everyone else. Just like that. And that is lane splitting 101. But again, the danger is there because A, it's illegal. B, people aren't really looking out for you too much. See, personally, I think that you should be able to lane split when traffic is like completely stopped. Like right here. I think you should be able to do it. Right here. God, that fucking purple Dodge stinks like pot. Ugh. This is what I'm saying, like there's always fucking traffic on 287 in the morning, you know, like how does anybody get to work on time? Like how? I don't understand. The thing about New Jersey is the more north you go towards, you know, like the city, like Manhattan and shit, just the more fucking crowded and populated and fucking stupid the state is. It's a really beautiful state, but like, A, it's fucking expensive. B, alright, that's it. Stuck. I got stuck. Fuck you, I'm going. I don't know what the fuck you're waiting for. I don't know what the fuck you're waiting on. Why are people so fucking weird? I'm so happy. I made it, babe. You see what I'm saying? I promised you I'd get there in one piece. I promised. I always keep my promises, baby. Always keep my promises.